What is up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Benjamin Outdoors, and today I kind of want to walk through a few things, update y'all, and try to get y'all's feedback on a few things. So first off, I am really trying to get back in the groove of working on bikes. So as you can see behind me, I got a lot of bikes in the middle of being worked on. The YZ450, I got the 1400 over here. I just got the CBR 600 back on the road, and I'm also working on the Gixxer 1000 over there. But as y'all saw in a previous video, I have this F100 that I just purchased. I just moved it over here into the driveway. My F250 is back over there. Because I'm not driving it much because I got the CBR back on the road. So I'm daily riding that thing. I still have a few parts to put on this thing. I still have a lot of future plans for it. I have been really lazy in terms of working on this thing, just done what I've had to do, but I do have a few cool projects coming soon on this thing. I just gotta find time to do it. So biggest thing is I wanna ask y'all, would y'all rather see content more often and it just not be a huge chunk of the build? Like, I could probably just finish assembling the Gixxer 1000 to where it's running and driving again, probably, and just do a small video, maybe a 10-minute or less video and stuff like this. Like on this 1400, just disassemble it and then do another video for repairing the motor, stuff like that. I mean, I could make a lot smaller videos, maybe do it weekly possibly. I would like to just do it more often because I've been just really bad at getting content out there. Like, I just rebuilt this bike the other day, so I need to post that rebuild video. It was just the motor, so it wasn't anything complicated, but like a couple weeks ago, I hung out with Reese and CJ, and both of them have been pretty consistent with posting videos. And Reese is doing a lot of other stuff other than the bike rebuilds, and so it kind of gave me a lot of motivation to try to get back into it, get on the grind, get some stuff done, because the past few months I've been like in a lazy mood, and I really want to try to knock some stuff out, get some projects done, get the 1400 done hopefully, and then, you know, get on some really creative stuff with the truck and also CBR 600. So let me know what y'all think. Do y'all want content more often, even though it be less content in a video, or just stick to longer videos but a bigger time in between the videos posted? So just let me know. And if y'all want to see anything else, just let me know. I'm open to suggestions. I really need to get back in the groove. So anyway, catch you on the flip side.